Welcome to Lady Fire's Kitchen. So what's cooking good looking? Absolutely nothing. I'm not cooking today and I am not baking and neither are you. We are using this baby. We're using my brand new blender. All we're gonna do is mix some ingredients, throw them in there and put them on a piece of bread. It is delicious, it's super easy and you don't have to cook a lot. So let me introduce you to the ingredients. We have red pimentos, cheese whiz. We have Spam. Of course, I put light when it's sodium, but you can use the regular one if you would like. I'm gonna use a little bit of milk. You can use whatever milk you would like. This is just to help the blender mix everything together. And we're gonna use bread. That's it. That's all. And it's super delicious. So I will see you in a few seconds so we can get started. Here we go. Here are my red pimentos, just in case you didn't know what they look like. That's red pimentos. And I chop my Spam into little pieces just to aid my blender do things a little faster. And of course I have my cheese whiz and I'm gonna use it all, and a little bit of my milk. We're gonna put it all in here and she's gonna do all the work for me, okay? These sandwiches, I believe that you guys call it pimento spread here in America. This recipe is actually from Puerto Rico, and I'm telling you the difference is big. If you buy it from the jar at the grocery store, it has that little bit of a flavor. They maybe have put some preservative or something in there that I'm not quite sure what it is. But when I make my batch, it's so much better. It's like 100% better when you make it at home, absolutely. And this is actually back from when I was young, just the other day. And back in Puerto Rico, I'm telling you, every party, there were maybe a few things they always have. The Lay's, Frito-Lay's, some Coke or soda product, the cake, and everybody went for the sandwiches. There was always this sandwiches, every single one. Some of the people, they got fancy, they would color the bread and have little different colors. Didn't happen that much. In my house, we were poor, so it was white bread. Just eat it like it is. All right, so without further ado, let's just put them all in here. All you have to do is just in your blender and start putting in all of your ingredients. Down it goes. By the way, you can put out some of the liquid from the pimento. I don't take it all out because I love pimentos on everything. Well, not everything, but almost everything. Let me help you out. And as you can see, there's no measuring involved. It's just you get exactly what I show you, except I did add a little extra. Instead of the 1 jar of pimento, I added 1.5 of the small one. Or you can buy the medium size, a little bit bigger than the one that you saw, and that will be perfectly fine. I'm putting all this in here, and it goes. And you're just gonna put a little bit of milk. And the reason why I put the milk, like I said before, so it will help get it all together, because it's all kind of dry ingredients, really. Just put a little splash of it. That's about it. You will cover it up. And of course, try to cover it up the right way so it will close. And before I started blending, I wanted to say hello to a special person. His name is the Sailor Piper Man, and he is actually from Puerto Rico. So hello to you and to every Puerto Rican community that are watching us. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you remember these, because we ate a lot of these back in the day. Here we go. All right, so our mixture is ready. I'm gonna pour it, and you're gonna notice one thing, very important. You will see right now that it's kind of liquidy. See there? You can utilize it like this and put it on your bread already. My recommendation is put it in the fridge, let it cool off for a little bit. Let it have some consistency. And once it has some consistency, it's easier to spread. If you spread it right now to your bread, it's going to be like a little bit wet, so it's going to like smear all over the place. But once it's in the fridge, I would give it maybe an hour or so it will have some body, some structure, and when you spread it on your bread, it's going to be easier. It's going to stay. It's not going to run. All right. So we're going to put it in our fridge, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. For time purpose, I put the mixture in the freezer so I can cut the time in half. So I left it there maybe about 30 minutes. So I wanted to show you the consistency it has now. See, it was very watery before. See how it got thicker? That's what I meant, okay? Another tip I wanted to give you was try or ensure that you don't put too much milk. Because if you put too much milk, then it's gonna be even more, it's really gonna get watery and it's not gonna thicken up. So make sure that you put a splash of milk, not too much. It's enough for the blender to be able to blend all the ingredients together, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spread it. Like so. And of course, like I have said in previous videos, nobody likes the little part right there. So we're just gonna cut these off. And we're gonna make these like in bite sizes. So we're gonna cut it like in 4 pieces so that we'll have 2 pieces. So we're gonna cut half. And then we're gonna cut half. And then we're gonna start building our little tray. And by the way, this in Puerto Rico, we call them Sandwichitos de Mezcla. Very popular. So I'm just going to continue making little sandwiches that I'm going to make my own tray. So we'll be right back. And here you go, guys. We have our little Sandwichitos de Mezcla or pimiento spread. So if you would like to see more easy recipes, look for Lady Fire's Kitchen playlist on Lady Fire's Kitchen YouTube channel. And someone very special wants to come over and take a little bite of one of our delicious little sandwiches, and it's none other than Flat Cap.
Yes, I want to try them out.
You want to try one out?
Can't wait.
Awesome.
Takes me back to Puerto Rico.
I know, right? It's a little piece of heaven.
And
Paradise. Welcome to the paradise.
3 bites and it's gone.
I said, can we share these? And he's like, I think we're going to eat all of these ourselves.
I think I'm going to eat this pretty quick.
I know.
We want to say happy birthday to someone special
Very
this week.
special, yes. 11 turning to 11 thinking she's 30.
Yeah, 11.
Yeah, it's like a 30-year-old.
30.
Happy birthday, Lily.
Happy birthday, Lily. Hope you had a great week.
We love you.
And maybe they take you to Disney World like you wanted to. And don't forget, every time on Saturdays at 11, after she makes you the
delicious appetizers.
Recipes, yes. We can talk some college football. Right after, it'll be me and my co-host. And if you like college football or any football whatsoever, sometimes we talk some boxing too. Just come and see us every Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time.
11 a.m. every Saturday. If you have any suggestions whatsoever, please write to me and let me know. And if you have tried the recipes, please let me know how you like them. Stop eating all of my sandwiches.
I'm going to eat them. And see you next Saturday.
Bye-bye.